The U-Haul I have, it does not have a middle seat. It's breaking the law. All right, so I'm off to Sunflower now. I got a bunch of stuff in the back of my truck. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. In this episode, you are gonna watch me try and race the clock to get our newest Airbnb up and running, which is Sunflower. And yes, I'm still working on Sunflower. So it's pretty crazy because we actually secured Sunflower at the end of September. It is now the middle of November and I still don't have Sunflower up. And part of that is my fault because I took on way too many listings at once. We were trying to furnish 3 all at the same time. And it is a lot. It is a lot of work. But second of all, I went on vacation. So I went to Florida. If you can tell, I got a nice tan going on here. I went to Florida for 2 weeks with the family. And so I'm just getting back and I'm like, you know what? I am going to get Sunflower ready to go in 2 days. So today is a Monday. I'm going to have it ready by Wednesday. All right. So one of the things that I need to get Sunflower up and ready is this dresser, which I originally bought for vanilla. I'm actually at vanilla right now. I originally bought this for vanilla. It was just way too big, but it's going to fit perfect at Sunflower. So I don't know what I was thinking, but I took TVs from another unit that was moving out and I brought the TVs here to Vanilla Trail. And so anyway, I have a 70-inch TV that I've already paid for, and I believe I have a 43-inch. And so I'm going to take these TVs over to Sunflower, and so I'm here right now getting them. So I got one TV here. Actually, that's a 55-inch. Beautiful. So I have that, and then, okay, so I have a 55-inch, and then I also have the 70-inch TV right here. So these are going to be very helpful. All right, so I'm off to Sunflower now. I got a bunch of stuff in the back of my truck. This afternoon, or later this afternoon, I'm going to pick up a 8-person table about 45 minutes away, getting it for $900, which is a steal of a deal. And so I got lots of things going on right now, and thank God for the help of my cleaners and my assistants and workers and friends who helped me get this stuff done, because without them I'd be nobody. Okay, so I'm back at Sunflower now, and I'm gonna drop off the TVs and stuff I grabbed from Vanilla. And look at this, got some Amazon stuff coming in, and I have a bunch more stuff coming in tomorrow. And I just got a new lock for here, our e-lock, which we use on every single property. It makes checking really easy. And don't tell anybody, but this is where I hide my key, somewhere up here. Oh, there it is for now. I'll get my e-lock on. So if you remember from a previous episode, this place was a mess. The walls were horrible. There was LED light strips all around the floor and holes. It was just horrible. So I had one of my repair people come in, who I'm gonna have them bill me, and then I'm gonna bill it to the landlords. But they came in and just made this place look immaculate. So we're coming along. A little TV over there. But yeah, we're coming along. We still got a lot of work to do, but we've done a deep clean here now. And so the walls are ready to go. So just coming to have a look upstairs, but wow, this is looking really good. I got our mattress there. Yeah, it's looking great. Wow. Let's go check out this room over here, because this one was a pigsty. Wow, looks brand new. Looks immaculate. Looks so good. Wow, okay, and then master. Okay, so if you recall from before, these corners were just hideous. Like, they were so bad, but they look so good now. So awesome job to my crew who came in and knocked that out for me. So bathroom looks fantastic. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Wow. Still gotta rip these stickers off. That's horrible, but not a whole lot left to do here in terms of getting it ready for furnishing. So I've called Sleep Country to get a price on mattresses. I still need to get 2 queen mattresses. The thing you put them on, forget what they call them right now, but like stands or whatever. Anyways, all the bed frames that we use. So I need to get 2 of those. And yeah, and then I already told you guys I'm going to be picking up the table. So one thing I did want to talk about is one of the awesome things about this business is that once you get to a certain point, you get to have the luxury going on vacation, yet your business still operating. So what's super cool is I was literally in Florida, all right, sitting on the beach, sitting on my beachfront condo, looking at the ocean, running my short-term rental business from Florida. And you're like, how did you do that? Well, I have everything automated, right? For the most part. I mean, I have myself and a VA that handles a lot of our stuff with our guests. And then here in Niagara, where we do the business, I have my cleaners do almost everything for me. So they are like my eyes and ears of the property, and they make sure everything goes off without a hitch. And so once your units are up and running, really what you become is you're a hospitality business. Let me tell you that. You are in the hospitality business. You have got to, like, you are not in the short-term rental business. No. You are in the hospitality business. So you have to make sure that every guest's experience is absolutely phenomenal. But outside of that, a lot of what we do is marketing, trying to get the place filled up. And so that's what I've been working on, because in the on season, it's easy. It's easy to book a place up, you know, when everybody's coming to Niagara Falls. But let me tell you, when the off season comes, which is where we're at now, it's a lot harder. And that's something that I have learned, is that Airbnb or a short-term rental business isn't always easy. You got to put some extra work in. And so I've been taking courses actually and trying all kinds of different things to get my occupancy rate up. And right now I'm averaging around 75% in the off season, which is really, really good. All right, so pretty crazy. I just drove about 35 minutes away from where we do our business to a place called Stony Creek, and got this table all packed into the truck. And while I was there, the guy lived in a beautiful house with beautiful furniture. He said, "Hey, I know you're buying tables and you do Airbnb. Do you want to buy some couches?" And I was like, "Oh yeah, I do." So anyway, I might be able to pick up 3 amazing couches for under $1,500 from this guy. I just got to figure out how I'm going to get them back. I'm going to probably need a U-Haul for this one. But, man, like I told you guys, I'm going to furnish this place fast and for cheap. I wish I had that on video. So I literally rented a U-Haul truck, drove all the way to this person's storage unit, and the couch was a disaster. Literally looked like they smeared mud all over it. And so the girl's like, "Oh yeah, you know, it's been scotch guarded and you just need a wet cloth and wipe it down and it'll be fine." So I was like, "Get a wet cloth then, wipe it down." So she wipes it down, the mud stayed and stayed. I was just like, you know what? I had half the couch on the truck. And so I asked my workers, I said, "Guys, pull it off. We're not grabbing this thing." And she's like, I'll tack $100 off of it. And I was like, "You couldn't give this thing to me for free." Oh, marketplace. That is one of the bad things about it. Sometimes you don't know what you're going to get. It's a hit and miss deal. Anyways, I'm pretty pissed off about it, to say the least, but it is what it is. So now we got to find a couch, and I got to find one like today. Okay, what's up everybody? It is now Wednesday, and I am heading back to Sunflower to get things cooking over there. Today I'm picking up a sectional from Niagara Falls, so I got to go get a U-Haul so I can grab that. And then last night, check this out. So I literally went to HomeSense and I still needed some art, and I picked up about $900 worth of art. And so you're probably like, "Man, that's so much money on art." But you know what? Art makes the difference. You want to make your place look luxurious. You want people to want to stay there, feel comfortable. And that's what art does, is it ties the space together. All right, so I'm off to U-Haul. I'm going to go grab a U-Haul truck, and then I'm off to Niagara Falls to get this sweet couch, full-blown sectional. I'm picking it up for $1,300 cash. All right, I know it's late, and it's dark in here, but I got the table in. We are starting to come along. 2 more days, and this place is going to look amazing. I guess I said we're going to do it in 2 days, but by Wednesday, this place is going to look legit. So here we go. Look at this table. And I'm out of breath right now because this thing was so heavy and huge. But we got it. All right, so I just left Leon's. I ended up buying a couch here. I dropped $1,780 on 2 sofas. So the sectional I wanted, we actually had a vanilla, and they had it in stock, but it was like $2,200 plus tax. And all right, so I'm in the U-Haul. I'm going to pick up Giselle, one of my helpers, and actually I have to bring Jeanette to Concord for cleaning on the way, but we're going to get this couch. It's going to be about a 25-minute drive. So the U-Haul I have, it does not have a middle seat. It's breaking the law, but we're making it happen anyway. Hiding. But hey, you got to do what you got to do sometimes to make some money. All right, so yeah, definitely a bit of a disappointment today. I mean, what a waste of time. Got a U-Haul and money. Got a U-Haul, spent literally like 2 hours getting the U-Haul, driving to Niagara Falls, all for it to not pan out. Then I had to go spend time at Leon. So I think the lesson learned here is when it comes to couches, for me personally anyway, I'm probably just going to go new. It's just too much to deal with in terms of, getting the couch picked up, figuring out if it's actually going to be a good couch or not. I mean, I'll probably look, but unless it's like a smoking deal and just a really nice product, I'm just not going to entertain it. All right, so I'm back at Sunflower, and man, it's just one thing after the other. It's frustrating. The furnace here isn't working. Yeah. So I had to call in my friend, who's an HVAC guy, and he said the circuit board is fried on the furnace. I'm like, oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. So, I mean, this will be covered by the landlord, but it's just another thing added to my plate. I'm trying to get this thing up and running in 3 days. I think it's actually gonna get stretched out to 5 days. I should have everything up and ready to go by Friday. My. Yeah, I mean, I'm just really stressed right now. Every day that it's not on the market, not on Airbnb, I'm losing money, and it's about $100 and some odd a day that I'm losing. So I'm trying to get this thing up and ready to go ASAP. Okay, so that is it for this episode. I'm not sure if we're gonna get this place ready in time. I'm really not sure. I'm grinding as hard as I can to get it done, and so you'll have to stay tuned for the next episode to see if we get it up in time. So if you haven't done so already, please be sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment below if you have any questions, comments, anything like that. All right, we'll see you in the next one.